Why? Why?
Why buy Trilive? This unit is in excellent condition and it's ready for you to move in and make it your own. The first bedroom is a guest room, which you can also use as a work area. The second bedroom is the master bedroom, and it comes with a wardrobe with 2 sliding doors. The attached toilet comes with a standing shower. Facilities include swimming pool, gym and 2 barbecue areas.
Why?
This is a freehold unit with a regular shape. It is on a high floor. It is just 2 stops to Kovan MRT. The future Daefu MRT is just 7 minutes walk. Daefu Industrial City next to Paya Lebar Airbase will be work, live, play destination. If you would like to view this unit or want more information, please call Sylvia at 88585023.